Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about area of a sector and segment of a circle. Okay. Before knowing the area of sector, we should know what is sector, what is segment. Okay. Right. Sector. What is sector? Suppose I am taking one circle. This is the center of the circle. Okay. I am drawing two radius. Right? This is center of the circle O. This point I am taking as A and this point I am taking as B. See here we have some area in between these two lines and this curve. We know this curve is known as arc of the circle. We know this. Suppose I am taking here some point P. This APB curve is known as, this is the part of circumference, no? A part of a circumference is known as arc. Okay? Right. And we have area between this arc and these two radii. Little bit area we are having, that is a shaded region. This shaded region is known as sector of the circle. Right? Now how to define this area, sector, how to define the sector? The area, the circular area bounded between two radii and arc of the circle. Okay, how to define? Area bounded between two radii and arc of the circle is known as sector. So here you will get one area, and this one is also one area which is bounded between larger arc. This is smaller arc and this is larger arc. Larger arc and two radii of the circle. This is also sector. Okay, we have two sectors. This is minor sector and this is major sector. Now sector definition. How to define? The circular region bounded between two radii of a circle, and arc of the circle is known as a sector. So from the diagram, OAPB area is known as minor sector. This area, right? Shaded region area is called minor sector. And suppose I am taking Q here, OAQB and OAQB area is known as major sector. Okay, this bigger area is known as major sector and this smaller area is known as minor sector. Right? This is sector definition and this is the figure. Okay, right. Now let us discuss about segment of a circle. What is segment of a circle? Right? Suppose I am taking one circle. I will take one chord of the circle. AB is the chord of a circle. See this, we know chord divides circle into two areas. Okay, one is larger area, another one is smaller area. Now what is the segment means? The area lies between, the area enclosed by chord of a circle and arc of the circle. This is arc. Suppose I am taking P here. This APB is a arc of the circle and AB is the chord of the circle. The area bounded between the circular area or circular region bounded between chord of a circle and arc of the circle is known as segment. And this is also here AB is the chord and this AQB is arc of the circle. And here also we are getting some area. This area also known as segment, but this is smaller area, so it is known as minor sector. Sorry, minor segment, and this is called major segment. Okay, this is called major segment. Right now, how to define the circular region? The circular region bounded between chord of a circle and arc of a circle is known as segment of a circle. Right now, this is called segment of a circle. Now, in this diagram, area APB area is known as minor segment. The smaller area is known as minor segment. Okay, minor segment, and this larger area is known as major segment. AQB area is known as major segment. Okay, so it is called major segment. Now we are going to discuss about how to find the sector area. Right? Suppose I am taking one sector here, OAPB. Suppose I need this area. I need OAPB area. Right? Here APB makes some angle at APB mark making some angle at the center. So it is called sector angle. Okay, angle of the sector. Right. Now I am going to derive the area of the sector. What is the formula? Right? If arc makes, if angle at center, if angle at center of a circle is if angle at a center of a circle is 360 degrees. If angle at the center is 360 degrees means like this, total angle is 360 degrees, then you will get the circle only. Okay, if angle at the center is 360 degrees, then you will get total circle. Okay, if it is total circle, you will get the area of the circle. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So if angle at the center of a circle is 360 degrees, then circle area is equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square. Okay, if angle at the center of a circle is 1 degree, then area of a circle. See, if angle is 360 degrees, then area will be pi r square. If angle is 1 degree at the center, then area is area of the circle is pi r square by 360. We should divide pi r square by 360. Then you will get area of the circle if angle at center is 1 degree. Pi r square by 360. Okay. Suppose angle at center is. Suppose angle at center. Suppose angle at center is. If angle at center is theta. Here. Suppose angle at center is theta. Then area of a circle. Area of a circle means here. If it is theta, we will get this figure. So it is called sector. Then area of a circle. That is nothing but sector. Area of a sector. Area of a sector. Of a sector. Area of a sector is, if 1 degree, 3 pi r square by 360. If angle is theta, then area is pi r square by 360. Pi r square by 360 into theta. Okay. So area of the sector, I derived the area of the sector. Therefore, you can write area of a sector. Area of a sector from this figure. Area of the sector OAPB is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. We can write this as 3 theta by 360 into pi r square. So this is area of a sector. So to get the area of the sector, we need angle and radius. If you know the radius of the circle and angle, you can find the area of a sector. Okay. If you need this area, then from the total circle area, you remove the. So see here, I will write area of a sector. Area of a sector OAQB. To get major sector area, we should subtract from total circle area this area minus sector area. Then you will get major sector area. Okay, from total circle area you have to subtract minus sector area. Automatically you will get major sector area also. Okay. Now circumference of a arc. Okay. Length of arc. How to find length of arc? This length. If you need this length, how to find APB? Right? Length of arc. Right. If angle at center, I am going to find length of arc. If angle at center of a circle, is 360 degrees, then circumference of a circle, what is the formula? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. We know this. If theta is 360 degrees, then you will get the circle. At that time, this is also arc of the circle, total arc. It is nothing but circumference. Total arc of the circle is also known as circumference. So the length of the arc, that means the circumference means the total distance traveling around this circle. Okay, that is 2 pi r. If angle at center is 1 degree, then length of arc will be 2 pi r by 360. 2 pi r by 360. Similarly, if angle at center is theta. If angle at center is theta, then length of arc is equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi r by 360 into theta. Therefore, length of arc from the diagram, length of arc APB. To get this length of arc, we use this formula, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Right? To read this length from total circumference, subtract this length of an arc, here also, length of an arc AQB. To get this total major arc length from total circumference 2 pi r minus subtract this minor arc length 2 pi r. Okay, right. Now let us do some problems. Example. Suppose I am taking one angle at center angle is suppose 60 degrees, radius 2 centimeters, right? If center at this is A and this is B, here this is P, this is Q, right? If angle at center is 60 degrees made by R APB, and radius of the circle is 2 centimeters. Then find area of sector OAPB and OAQB. Okay, now we are going to find area of sector, minor sector and major sector. Okay, right. I am going to solve this. Solution. Area of sector. What is given? Given angle is 60 degrees. And radius is 2. Okay. This is given information. Theta and R value. Right. Now, area of sector OAPB. What is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r. Theta is 60 by 360. Pi r square 22 by 7. Or you can keep pi as it is. Later you can simplify. R square is 2 square. 0 0 cancel, 6 6 are 36. 4 by 6 pi. 2 here. 3 is 44. Sorry. 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7. So 44 by 21 centimeter square is the area of sector OAPB. Now I need area of my major sector. To get area of major sector, what I said, from total circle area you have to subtract this minor area. Okay, minor sector area. Now I am going to find major sector area. Before that, we should find area of a circle. Area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi into r square, 2 square. That is 4 pi. Now area of major sector. That is denoted by OAQB. OAQB is equal to 4 pi from total circle area. I am subtracting minor area 44 by 21. Here 4 into 22 by 7 minus 44 by 21. So 21 is the LCM. 3 for the 12. 12 into 22 minus 44 by 21. What is the major sector area here? 12 to the 24, 4 to carry, 12 to the 24, 24 plus 2, 26, right? Minus 44 by 21. 44 means here 220, 220 by 21, 220 by 21 centimeter square means the major sector area. You can convert into decimal expansion. Okay, this is the major sector area. So in the same way you can do exercise problems also. Okay, and next class we will discuss about exercise problems. Thank you.